Justin Labato here inside of Autogeek Show Car Garage, and I'm here with special guest Bruno Massel, and we want to go over some of Bruno's personal favorite detailing products. Bruno?
The thing is, I get the luxury of sampling some stuff, you know what I mean, which is pretty cool. And every time I pop down here, I'm kind of trying this, I'll take one of those, but I get fixed on certain products. And One Step is one that I pretty much got fixed on. You know, I don't like to break away from something that works. Now, it's something I actually use on the race cars and I've actually used on the rig as well. It's not something I would break out a buffer to in the middle of a racing season because you've got more pressing issues, but it's something like at the end of the season, I'll come back, and as we're getting ready, the graphics are about to go on the cars and all that kind of stuff, I'll break out the One Step because you get so many surface scratches throughout the course of the season. It cleans them out, it protects it and builds a surface so they won't build up again, you know, throughout the rest of the year. It kind of protects the car. It doesn't get a lot of road time, but what it does, it's taking a lot of abuse.
And as far as application on something like that, from my experience, it's been super easy. What about yourself?
Oh my gosh, yeah, you put it on your pad, make a little smiley face and buff away and wipe off the residual with a terry cloth. You know, the other thing too is I had a situation one year where I had really bad, my rig was parked and there was a tree around and it was getting black lines and streaks down the side of it. I tried every kind of chemical in the world to get it off. Figured, why not try One Step? I mean, I got up on the ladder and I buffed it out, and not only did it take all the black residual off, what it did though is it also protected it, so if it ran out of it again, it literally simply washed off. So kind of on both sides of it, it removed the problem and kept it from reoccurring in the future.
Yeah, with the protection that's inside of the BLACKFIRE One Step, it definitely adds the value back to being able to constantly keep up with it, but yet revisit it when you're ready to do it again to keep it looking pretty, right?
Right.
Because it does clean and protect all in one step, to say. Personally, in my shop, we like to have it to where, you know, you could work fast with this product. You don't have to spend a lot of time on the paint, as you've experienced, because you get great results. So something like that, we'll use one of the cordless dual action polishers. And then I personally like this pad. This is from Buff and Shine. This is a blue heavy polish pad. It pairs great with the BLACKFIRE One Step in regards to getting the cleaning power, a little bit of correcting power to remove some light haze, and then of course leaving that protection behind in one foul swoop to make life a lot easier. So that's something that, as you have it as a personal favorite, I also like the all-in-ones as a personal favorite as well. And with it being BLACKFIRE and a brand that you can't, I mean, it's nothing short of amazing.
You know, the thing is, for me, everything has to be easy, because if it's not easy, you won't want to do it again. And the thing is, to get great results in something that's easy and you can do literally one step. I know we keep saying it over and over again, but it really is, and that's what kind of makes the product sits on my shelf and I keep having to refill it.
No, and that's a great product for that reason. So if you have more interest in any of Bruno's favorites and or the BLACKFIRE One Step, visit autogeek.com.